Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about the legendary turtle experiment and the turtle rules that were used in the experiment and the actual turtle trading system and why it was successful. Now, the turtle trading experience was devised by Richard Dennis and Bill Eckhart, and they wanted to settle a bet, which was Dennis believed you could teach anyone to trade. Eckhart thought it was more an innate gift. And they devised the turtle experiment. And what they did was they placed ads in the Wall Street Journal, and they advertised for people who had never traded before. And they collected together a group of people. They're very diverse. You know, there was a lady auditor in there, a kid that had just come out of high school, a security guard, a professional poker player. I mean, there was a wide, diverse bunch of people of all ages, both sexes, and of varying academic ability. None of them had ever traded. They were taught to trade in 2 weeks. So Dennis taught them the rules and then basically taught them the logic upon which the rules were based. So they would understand the system, and they were then given some seed capital each, and then they went off to trade. And they made about $300 million. It's one of the most successful experiments ever done in trading, and one of the most famous as well. And yeah, what will strike many people watching is these people learnt very quickly and they achieved really great success. So if they can do it, why do most traders fail? I mean, in Forex trading, probably about 90% of traders fail. So why were they so successful? Well, the system itself was very simple. It was just basically a long-term breakout strategy, and it relied on catching big trends and holding on to them for a long period of time, and taking losers quickly and keeping them small. Now, the reason why the system is actually so difficult to follow is basically you're going to get about 70% losers on the trading system using the rules. And then you've got to hang on to the profits and not bank them early, so you ensure you cover the losses. And the people that Dennis taught were supervised. They were taught the logic of the system, so they could have real confidence in it and execute it with discipline. And that is why they succeeded. Now, it was a very simple system. You can get the rules free on the net today. Just a long-term breakout strategy with very robust money management to keep those losses small and let those winners run. So what can traders learn from the turtle experiment? Well, the first thing to learn is that a method itself is not going to give you success. You are going to have losing periods. So you do actually have to have the confidence in it to basically keep taking those small losses and then run those profits. Most traders just cannot do this. The reason they can't do it is most of the time they're following other people, or they actually believe in the accuracy myth. And the accuracy myth is where you see all over the net, win with 90% accuracy on your trading signals. It's total nonsense. The best traders in the world are probably only winning half of their trades at most, and you will only do that too. It doesn't matter. It's just the difference between your winners and your losers that counts. And I think the turtle experiment shows quite clearly that a simple trading system works best, and it really is down to the mindset of the person executing the system to ensure that it becomes successful. And a lot of people look around the net looking for secrets and holy grail trading systems. If you go and look at the turtle trading rules, you'll understand how and why they work, and why it does take such discipline to follow them. You might be asking, do they work today? They don't work as well today as they once did. They were devised back in the 80s. We're now in the new millennium, and we've got more volatility around turning points because of the internet, basically. But they still are effective and they still work. And if you're looking to execute a trading strategy on the net and build your own or learn your own, there's no better place to start than looking at the free turtle trading rules, because they're a great motivation. It just shows how simple a system can be and how effective it can be. All you've got to do if you want to enjoy Forex trading success is remember, keep that method simple, but make sure you understand it and have confidence in it so you can execute it with discipline. 90% of traders or more always lose, They don't lose necessarily because they lack a good system. They lack the discipline to execute it and keep those losses small and run those profits. You should also read Market Wizards with Jack Schwager and New Market Wizards, where you get interviews with both Richard Dennis and Bill Eckhart. So yeah, download the free turtle trading rules from there. Take a look at them. They're great motivation. It's a soundly based system and some great free Forex education. Thank you for watching me. Take care and have a good day.